There are keys to homeownership, and there are keys that actually unlock the door. Rehab loans are the tools that are going to be unlocking more doors for more homeowners during the changing economic conditions that we're experiencing right now. And as a real estate sales or lending professional, you need to know what the answers are that your buyers and sellers are asking the questions about this type of loan. Where do you get this information? Where do you find the resources to help you make more doors open for more home buyers, to make more transactions go forward for more sellers? We have an answer for you. It's the 203K Discovery Days, February 25th and 26th. It's a live virtual conference, and at that event, you'll be able to learn from industry experts, network with other professionals, and actually start making connections that will help you answer questions very next day. So sign up right now and join us and be able to give the keys that are not just to homeownership, but actually get your buyers through the door. I'll see you at the 203K Virtual Discovery Days, February 25th and 26th, live online.